Welcome to the best picks. The best Mousse for Braids is probably one of the most sought-after styling products for achieving long-lasting, defined, and gorgeous braids. Whether you're aiming for sleek cornrows, voluminous box braids, or intricate twists, finding the right mousse can make all the difference in achieving your desired look and ensuring your braids stay flawless throughout the day or even for several days. So choosing the right one is key. Number 5. AllDay Locks Braid Foam. This amazing foam is your secret weapon for long-lasting, gorgeous braids. It sets, seals, and adds shine, keeping your style looking fresh for days. It's lightweight and easy to apply, reducing frizz and flyaways. It locks in moisture to keep your braids healthy and hydrated. This foam gives you a controlled, long-lasting hold without stiffness. It adds a beautiful, lustrous sheen to your braids. Notice any frizz or flyaways? Simply apply a little more foam to smooth and sleek them back into place. Apply it to your finished braids, gently incorporating it while gliding and patting it in. It's that simple. Our products are designed to help you feel beautiful and confident in your own unique style. Because you deserve to shine. What we like? It provides a long-lasting hold that keeps your braids in place all day. Its lightweight formula is easy to apply and won't weigh your hair down. If you're looking for a product that adds shine and keeps your braids looking fresh, this is the one for you. What people say. Works well, holds well. Good smell. I have a very sensitive scalp and my hair doesn't like a lick of stuff on it, but this stuff is amazing. No flaking or itching, keeps my scalp clean, braids moisturized and shiny, smells great. I recently learned to do protective hairstyles and this product changed the game. It's perfect for finishing up a lock or twist. It's not sticky and it dries down fairly easy. Number 4. Braid Foam Mousse. It's the perfect finishing touch for all your protective hairstyles. It holds and seals your braids in place, keeping them looking great for longer. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways. It smooths your hair while adding shine to your braids, leaving them looking sleek and polished. Simply apply it to your finished braids and gently work it in. You'll achieve a soft and long-lasting style with ease. Whether you have twists, locks, braids, or edges, this mousse works wonders. Create the braid style you love and enhance your look. It's made with natural ingredients like lavender and willow bark. It's free of alcohol, preservatives, dyes, and sulfates, so it's gentle on your hair. What we like? This mousse offers an extra hold for your braids, keeping them in place even during physical activity. It also adds a beautiful shine and moisturizes your hair, preventing dryness. If you need a strong hold and want to keep your hair healthy, this is a great option. What people say. This lightweight mousse provides excellent hold without any flakes, which is a huge plus. My braids stay neat and in place all day, and the high shine adds a nice, polished finish. What I love most is how moisturizing it is. My hair feels soft and hydrated, not stiff or crunchy. It works great for braids, twists, and locks, and it's easy to apply. This works so good, no flaking or residue. Helps with keeping braids looking nice and tight. Number 3. Goiple Braid Mousse. It's the perfect finishing touch for your protective hairstyles. It holds and seals your braids in place all day long, locking in moisture for long-lasting style. If your hair is frizzy or has flyaways, this will smooth and shine your braids. Say goodbye to unruly strands. Simply apply it to your finished braids, gently working it in. It creates a soft, long-lasting style with minimal effort. Whether you have twists, locks, braids, or edges, it works beautifully to create the braid style you love. It's versatile for any look. It's made with natural ingredients like lavender and willow bark. It's alcohol-free, preservative-free, dye-free, sulfate-free, and contains no harsh chemicals. What we like? It's perfect for achieving a long-lasting, soft braid style. It easily tames frizz and flyaways, giving you smooth, sleek braids. If you want a simple way to achieve a polished look, this is the product for you. What people say. The mousse works great without flaking. The cap is cute and comfortable. Used it for my toddler's box braids. Kept his style longer than usual. It's very nice and lightweight. Brings your braids and curls back to life. Number 2. Nicole and Alyssa Braid Foam. Get ready to experience the ultimate braid styling foam. It's designed to give you incredible hold and shine. This isn't your average mousse. It's a premium formula, perfect for creating stunning braids, twists, and locks. Say goodbye to flyaways and hello to all-day hold and a gorgeous, healthy shine. It keeps your style looking perfect. It's not only effective but also gentle on your hair. The moisturizing formula keeps your hair healthy and flake-free. It's lightweight, so it won't weigh your hair down. Plus, it seals your braids, keeping them looking neat and tidy. Whether you're creating intricate braids, stylish twists, or maintaining your locks, this foam is your new go-to. With Nicole and Alyssa Braid Styling Foam, achieving your dream hairstyle has never been easier. Try it today. What we like? This braid foam seals and sets your braids beautifully, keeping them looking neat and tidy. It provides an extra hold and a high shine, making your braids look their best. If you value a polished and professional look, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Works well to keep the frizz away. I use for a flexi rod set as well as locks as the finisher to add shine and reduce frizz. No sticky residue or build-up after use. Best product for braids, updose door prom on a humid day. Kept the girl's hair looking perfect. Didn't make their hair crunchy or flake. Number 1. Strong Hold Braiding Kit. This kit has everything you need for perfect braids. It includes everything from gel to oil, and even styling tools. Get the perfect look with this all-in-one kit. It contains a braid mousse, braid gel, hair growth oil, edge control, clips, combs, and even a do-rag. It keeps your braids in place all day long. It locks in moisture to keep your style looking fresh. The included rosemary oil helps stimulate hair follicles and promotes healthy growth. It also helps prevent hair loss and smooth split ends. This kit is made with high-quality, gentle ingredients. It's safe for all hair types and won't irritate your skin. Whether you have long hair, curly hair, or even a wig, this kit works wonders. It's easy to use, even for beginners. What we like? This kit offers an extreme hold mousse that tames frizz and flyaways effectively. It also includes other helpful tools for braiding. If you want a complete solution for braiding and styling, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The edge control is a standout. It provides an amazing, long-lasting hold. The products work really well. The oil keeps my hair moisturized while the gel holds my twist hairdo firm. The foam eliminates frizz. The edge control slick every hair and lock gel wasn't oily and dried with no flake. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.